America, listen. The big, ugly, beautiful bill is draining wallets, and you're next. Let me show you how to flip it into your favor.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
Gas, groceries, rent, mortgage rates, they're all up, and the federal support is going down. Now that this bill is in full effect, they are cutting programs and raising taxes and making sure that the working people feel it first. And look, regardless of how you feel about Donald Trump or whoever is in office, here's the reality. Decisions at the federal level trickle down fast. It doesn't matter if you voted for him or against him or not at all. Your wallet doesn't care about your party. The hell you mean it doesn't matter who you voted for? But here's the twist. The same bill that's taking money out of your pockets has loopholes that you can take advantage of to put money back into your pocket. But you have to know what you're doing. I know it can be scary jumping out there, creating your own business, but you gotta risk it for the biscuit. If you are middle or low income, you are always told to work hard and things will get better. That's a lie. Things aren't getting better on their own, and the ones who are winning are the ones who know how to leverage. This is how you can leverage. You can build a business structure that will keep most of the money in your pocket and legally pay less in taxes. And that's where the LLC comes in. An LLC isn't just paperwork, it's a legal shield, a tax tool, and your first step of building business credit. And in just a minute, I'll give you my toasty tip of the day that includes a link to a full video walkthrough of how to create your own LLC right here in North Carolina. And also included in that link is how to get your free EIN for your business. This is how you separate your personal assets from your business assets. You see where I'm going? Real quick, if you are serious about protecting your wallet from this bill, hit that subscribe button and comment the word LLC so that I can reply with the free resource guide to get you started. An LLC can change the game. Deduct part of your rent or mortgage if you work from home. You can also write off gas, travel, and a part of your phone bill. And lastly, you can qualify for business funding and business credit, something that W-2 employees will never touch. This isn't about getting rich overnight, it is about taking back control. It's time for our toasty tip of the day. Toasty! You are only a few clicks away from creating your own business and protecting your wallet and taking advantage of these tax breaks. Here's exactly what to do. Number 1, go to the Secretary of State's website, sosnc.gov. And if you don't live here in North Carolina, just look up your Secretary of State's website and follow the same steps. Maybe a little different depending on the state. Number 2, create a business and select limited liability company. Number 3, put in your basic info, your name, address, phone number, and more importantly, your new business name. And number 4, pay the one-time fee of $125. You created your own business. Why take advantage of this now? Because once you form your business, you can write off things like your rent, your mortgage, equipment, which is in that big, beautiful bill. In my case, equipment is another car from my fleet in my other business, Tar Heel Turo. So if you purchase equipment for your brand new business and that business use is totally for your business, you can write the whole thing off. Cars, that's property, restaurant equipment, stoves, fridges, any purchase that is specifically for your business, you can write it off. But if you only use that equipment only 50% of the time in your business, then you can only deduct 50% of it. That concludes this week's video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, comment, and share with your mom and them. And don't forget to click this end screen so I can walk you through every single step on how to form your LLC.